Hyundai Tucson, Generation 4. Fender replacement. When removing the fender, wrap protective tape around the screwdriver or remover to prevent damage to components. Wear gloves to protect your hands from injuries. To remove and install the fender on your Tucson 4th generation, follow these simple steps. 1. Remove the front bumper. 2. Remove the headlamp. In the video description, you will find links to videos that provide a more detailed and visual demonstration of how to perform these procedures. 3. Remove the engine room under cover. 4. Remove the front tire. 5. Loosen the mounting nuts, bolts, and screws, then remove the front wheel guard. 6. Loosen the mounting clips, remove the fender apron cover. 7. Loosen the mounting screws, then remove the front bumper side mounting bracket, A. 8. Remove the fender insulator. 9. Loosen the mounting bolts, then remove the fender assembly, A. 10. To install, follow the removal procedure in reverse order. Replace any damaged clips or pin-type retainers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, become a sponsor of our channel. Your support helps us grow and improve.